Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to build form with floating table into our Reactjs application. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest React.js updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen you can see beautiful form with floating labels. Friends, now I will show you floating labels. Here is input field. When I will click inside this, see label floats. See guys, just brilliant. Have you seen React.js form with floating labels is working fine. And friends, it is responsive as well. I will show you. There is for iPad Pro. See guys, just brilliant. For iPhone X, see guys, labels are working fine. And guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And guys, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I will come with more demos. And also, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.